Hello, good day and welcome. My name is Mr. JB and today we're going through a Photopea tutorial showing you how to create the silhouette moon effect. You'll see that. That's why you clicked on this video. To start, we end up dropping in our image of our person, and then we are going to select the crop tool, which is over here on the left. It kind of looks like Minecraft DNA. You're going to select that, and then you're just going to make your image a little bit bigger. That way we can end up doing all the stuff that we need to do. Depending on what type of device you have, this might be a little bit slow or a little bit glitchy, so just be mindful of that as you are doing this. You'll click enter, and now you've got more space around your image. From here, we are going to go to select, and then we're going to go to subject. This is going to select our image. Now, sometimes it'll ask you to watch an ad. I'm going to watch my ad, and I will see you all in a second. Lovely. So my subject is selected. Henry Cavill is selected. Now, there's a few different ways you could do this. You could remove background, whatever, but we just want to end up having our image without anything around it. Excellent. So with it selected, with Henry Cavill selected, I'm going to make sure that I have my move tool selected. I'm going to do Control C and Control V, and that will paste my layer of Henry Cavill. And if I shut off my background, excellent. Now I have that. I'm going to go to my bottom, the little piece that is a half moon, new adjustment layer, and I'm going to select color fill. I'm going to make that a black color fill layer. Select OK, and I'm going to drag that just below Henry Cavill. Now, with that selected, I am going to go to Henry Cavill's layer. I'm going to go to effects, and I'm going to go to color overlay. With color overlay selected, you're going to select it black. Now obviously we can't see anything, looks a little weird. That's okay, it'll all make sense in a moment. Next, I'm going to go over to the left hand side, third from the bottom. You're going to right click and you're going to select ellipse. That's going to allow us to draw the circle that we need, or choose whatever shape. We're going to select the color to white when we select the fill menu. Select enter, and then we are going to draw our circle and our shape. Now with our circle dropped here, it's obviously not going to be where we want it to be, so we want to end up raising up our Henry Cavill layer, putting that on the top, and then we can just kind of adjust and manipulate our circle as we need to. We can stretch, warp, do whatever, so that way we can end up having our silhouette of Henry Cavill, or again, whatever it is that you want and whatever it is that you're doing. Now with that, that's all that we're going to cover for today. Pretty quick, pretty straightforward tutorial. As always, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed and I hope you learned something. Have a wonderful day, take care, and be safe.